Hi, so this is jackfruit season and I have made jackfruit unniappam. So this is how it looks like. It's a special unniappam. So let's see what all things we need to use for making this unniappam. For this unniappam I have taken 1/4 cup of uh, dried coconut cut pieces like this. It's a little bit dried coconut. Yeah, if you don't have dried coconut you can use normal coconut. Then half cup of jackfruit pulp. So I have grinded the jackfruit in the mixie. And then 1 cup of jaggery water. So how you can make jaggery water is you immerse the jaggery in 1 cup of water and then boil it and then strain it. So 1/4 cup of dry coconut pieces, half cup of jaggery pulp and then 1 cup of jaggery water. So let's first fry the coconut pieces in 1 tablespoon of ghee. So you need to fry this till it is golden brown. Okay, so it's done, and now let's check the flour items. I have taken 1 cup of rice flour and half teaspoon of cardamom, powdered cardamom. So it's de-seeded, only the seeds are taken, the shell is thrown. Now we need to mix all these ingredients together. I have already added the coconut pieces and the jaggery pulp. Now let's add the cardamom powder and then we need to add the rice flour. This rice flour is made by us only. So if you are buying rice flour from the shop like the branded ones, there will be a slight difference in the water which you need to add while making this appam. So now first let's add the jaggery water and then mix it well, and now I am going to add half cup of all purpose flour or maida. Okay, and 1/4 cup of water, normal water. Now we need to stir this and make it into a fine paste with no lumps. Okay, so you can see no lumps. Now let's put the unniappam chatti. This is a special kadai which you can buy from shop, especially for making unniappam. It's an iron one, mine. It's very easy to make in the infrared cooker because the base is flat. It will just simply stay in the infrared cooker. So now let's pour the batter. Pour in such a way that 3/4 of the holes are filled with batter. You can use any kind of oil. I am using coconut oil, but you can use any kind of oil. It's up to your choice. Okay, and you need to fry this till it is golden brown on both sides, and that's it. Very tasty, crispy yet soft jackfruit unniappam will be ready. See? Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Do give it a try. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.